Hello, in this video I'm gonna explain the session 1 about interface design principles and guidelines. My group is conformed by Manuel Bonilla, Valentina Rendon, Brian Suarez, and me, Alvaro Cardoso. We have the following principles: forecast, communication, consistency, controlled autonomy, efficiency, flexibility, focus, and Fitts law. The first principle is forecast. And so a forecast is basically the next movement of the user should be anticipated to facilitate your workflow. The second one is communication. The interface must communicate the status of any activity that the user does with literal or subtle message like download, print, loaders, icons. And the next one is consistency. The way in which the content is presented on the web page must be consistent, like warnings in yellow triangles like this, or hyperlinks in blue and underlined text, or among others. Controlled autonomy. The web app must facilitate the movement of the user through the application. Even so, it is necessary that certain conventions established in the application are respected, such as securing entry to certain sites on the web page, like a login. The next is efficiency. Efficiency is like the application must be designed to improve or optimize the efficiency of the user's work. The next one is flexibility. So the interface should give the user the tools to navigate freely and know where they are. In addition, you must grant the functionality to undo errors that you may make in the applications. The next one is focus. This principle seeks that the user does not get lost in the application, and for this, the content present in the graphical interface must be related to the current task of the user. Finally, we have a Fitts law that say the time to reach a goal is a function of the distance to it and its size. In the sense, it is recommended that the related elements found in the web app are close to each other, so that they make the user understand that the next step is and the time spent doing these tasks is reduced. And that's it for the session 1.